From markets to motor parks, properties to electronics, Apịriko is how Igbo hustlers survive, grow and build empires. What is Igba Apịriko? Igba Apịriko is a common respected business practice in Igbo culture where someone adds their own profit to the cost of a product they don't own, usually a middleman or a connector. How does this work? A trader sells an item for 10,000 naira. You, the middleman, brings a customer and tells them the price is 12,000. The buyer pays 12,000 naira. You give the seller 10,000 and you get to keep 2,000 naira for yourself. That is Apịriko. That is your gain. Why is this important? You didn't buy or stock the product. You didn't rent a shop. You didn't even bother yourself. But you used information and negotiation to earn money. In Ndi Igbo, this isn't seen as shady at all or even dishonest. It's a recognized system, especially in markets, spare parts dealership, real estate, and even international trade. Who does this? Everyone from market boys to big-time agents. A lot of successful Igbo business people started out by Igba Apịriko. Bottom line, Igba Apịriko is a mock structure that the Igbos created that reflects affiliate marketing as we know it today, but the Igbos first started it in the term of Igba Apịriko. You get to earn without owning and you get to profit by connecting. Stay tuned with us, like, subscribe and share.